Hi all, let's solve a new problem today. So the problem is we are given an array nums of size n. We have to return majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times, and you may assume that the majority element always exists. In example first, majority element is 3. In example 2, majority element is 2, as 2 is appearing 4 times and 1 is appearing thrice. These are our constraints. Okay, they are fine. And yeah, LeetCode says that could you solve the problem in linear time and in big of one space. Let's for now keep this aside and see first how we can solve this problem. So let's take this example itself. Yeah, so we want to know the number of times the element is appearing, so we can maintain hash table. And yeah, 2 is appearing for 4 times and 1 is appearing for 3 times. So we can return 2 as a majority element. Time complexity to solve this algorithm is big O of n. To solve this problem is big O of n, and space complexity will also be big O of n because we are using extra space. That is, we are solving this using hash table, and we have to solve it using linear space. So one thing is, what we have to do is that to find majority elements, we understood if we know the count, we can return the majority elements. Okay, let's try to solve it in big of one space. Now let's say that if we consider first element as a majority element and we count is 1. Okay, now we move forward. So firstly, we are taking always the first element as a majority element. We do not know if it is a majority element or not. We move forward, again we find 2. I increment the count. Move forward, okay. We find a different number, decrement the count. We move forward, we again find different number, decrement the count, make it 0. We go forward, we again find a different number, and now the thing is, before going forward, we need to see now the count has become 0. So when the count has become 0, it means that number appearance is 0. Getting? So we can say that 2 cannot be majority element, and we need to update it now, and hence we make a majority element as 1. We move for 1, and okay, we also update the counter to 1. We move forward, we find 2. Again we decrement the counter, make it 0. Again we have got 0. It means 1 cannot be majority element. So again we move forward, we update the majority element as 2, and our count will be 1. So at the end 2 is a majority element. Time complexity is same. Space complexity is now big of 1. Let's code it. If it's not equal to a majority element, decrement the count. However, there will come a point when this count can become 0, right? So in that case, what we will do when count becomes 0, we change a majority element and we make count as 1. Okay? Okay. Return this majority element. Let's run the code. Oh, it is okay, because we have not considered the count of first element, we should consider it. Okay, now our sample test cases have passed. Let's submit the code. Perfect, it's accepted. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.